Okay, this video is to show how to put the Tamper tag to attach the handle and the striker together so it doesn't just fall off. Okay, quite easy to do. You want to drill the hole. You want to drill a hole here. So now you've got hole at the top, hole in the handle. We're looking about 1.5 inches from the bottom. It doesn't have to be precise. You don't want to do it too far up, otherwise Tamper tag's not going to reach. You put the Tamper tag through the hole, goes through here. I've got to try and do this while on camera. Hold on a second. Okay, goes through there. Place the two together, bring the Tamper tag round and just thread it in. Just get it on the least 1 or 2 clicks so it doesn't just fall off. Now, whatever happens with this, it's never going to fall off. But if you need to, you can easily just snap it off and activate it. That's how simple it is.